The United Republic of Tanzania, located in the southeastern part of Africa, has selected the eradication of corruption and efficient government management as its top priority agenda since 1955. To achieve this goal, the Tanzanian government has propelled the modernization of custom administration. However, due to the functional limitation and exclusiveness of the existing electronic customs system, the government has been experiencing difficulties. To improve the situation and achieve a renovation in the customs area, the Tanzanian government has officially asked for the support of Korea, which has been evaluated as the best global example in the electronic government area. After reviewing project execution feasibility, Koica has agreed to execute the project in March 2011. Before carrying out the project in earnest, to examine the local environment and discuss the timeline of the project, the PMC on-site survey team has visited the Tanzania Revenue Authority in Dar es Salaam. The team explained the project and noted the request of TRA. The team also visited sites where the equipment for the project was to be installed and mapped out the plan for the overall project. It was agreed that the new risk management system will provide price valuation function for imported goods and importer management function. The cargo management system will provide cargo tracking information so that the system can set the entire process from the initial declaration to the final declaration. In October 2011, 9 BPR ISP experts were dispatched for 6 weeks to evaluate the main requests of the TRA. The dispatched experts researched the standing laws, regulations, current information systems, and the clearance system. Then the team researched the status of cargo management system and logistics, then evaluated the request of the TRA through a series of interviews with TRA officials and the presentation explaining the implementation plans. In February 2012, experts were dispatched again to present the problems that were discovered at the BPR ISP analysis stage and to receive further requests. The dispatched experts demonstrated the 2B model on a prototype screen, which helped the viewer's understanding of the main parts of the model, and an expert from Korea Customs Service provided guidelines by introducing Korea's screening system. After dispatching BPR ISP, the specialist designed a 2B model by solving the problems and incorporating the request in the model. Ongoing status of the project was presented by holding a midterm report at which the TRA Commissioner and the Korean Ambassador in Tanzania attended. The officials from the TRA were invited and trained in Korea in March 2012. They were divided into 3 sectors: High Official, Cargo Risk Management Official, and ICT System Operator. Courses were given by experts in a 2-way fashion, emphasizing discussion and communication. The training also included on-the-spot course through learning by observation of the Custom House in Korea, having an opportunity to understand Korea's developed tariff information system, and presenting the future direction of the Tanzanian information system. The equipment was sent in September 2012. The equipment were not only selected on the basis of their easiness in management and maintenance, but also selected for their flexibility when connected to other systems. The experts checked the equipment and carried out a self-integration test. When installing equipment, the local operator received training in tandem so that independent operation would be possible in the future. Regarding equipments, by setting up a bilateral configuration with a SAN switch and server, the chances of defect were minimized and a stable and consistent system was built. In addition, by constituting a separate DMZ which prevented attacks on the system from both the inside and outside, system was enabled data transmission at optimum performance level. After opening the system, trainees were categorized into users, managers, and operators. Guidelines for standardized management criteria and procedure were presented in operation training, which focused on handling malfunction in the system. The training is focused on capacity building so that TRA would be able to operate the system on its own in the future. For the cargo management system, a logistics information network was built, and a whole processing was set up from the arrival expected of cargo until the release. Information on a cargo's location and processing time could be searched by using reference number or BL number. If a shipping company submits a shipping list before entering the harbor, cargo content and submission time reflect in real time into the cargo tracking system. After screening shipping listings, processing descriptions of discharge, bonded transportation, carryout, and warehouse cargo in are reflected into the system, and those involved in the logistics are able to share the information of processing of cargo. As cargo tracking is enabled for each stage of the transaction, the measuring of processing time of each section of import cargo is possible, minimizing smuggling and facilitating tracing in each stage of customs. In fact, before the setup of the system, the cargo processing status was reported manually, using phones and faxes, and processed, but now, with the Management Automation Foundation, a paperless environment can be realized.
It took a long time to select a number of documents because it was the process that each document should be selected one after another by 3 officers. And actually it was taking too long to make a selectivity for many documents.
Furthermore, an evaluation system of companies was built, and an application system which analyzed the information on risk management of custom clearance cases was developed. Due to the results of being able to select such data, the time that took 10 to 15 days to obtain such data before the build of the system was now changed so that real-time analyses of risk information was possible. On the accumulated information, various statistical analyses could be done. Especially, the construction of the valuation system for the enterprises makes it possible for the top 6% of the import businesses to be able to effectively control 93% of their earnings. Thus, the system provides not only steady management of checking the integrity of import companies, but also provides management of information of goods. There's opening ceremony of the Customs Administration system. The project of modernization of TRA Customs Administration has been carried out from August 2011 to April 2013, and its goal was to prevent illegal profit and secure revenue by modernizing Tanzania's revenue administration. By successfully carrying out the present aid project, Koica was able to improve its national image as one of the future partners of the United Republic of Tanzania.
And that is, over many other things, the proper administration of tax comes as first and foremost premise for the development of the state. In that sense, landlocked countries who also use the port of Dar es Salaam as their main port.
Center of trade in this East Africa, with a sizable young population, a lot of natural resources, and traditional calm attitude of living and values, Tanzania would be a rich and happy country with new technology.
It is our hope that present cargo and risk management system will increase the efficiency of the revenue administration process, and by establishing customs order from a long-term point of view, will have a positive influence on Tanzania's economy. Making a better world together. Koica.